Example second, an electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. Now what is the total height? Height of this pole is 5 meter. Next is she needs to reach a point 1.3 below the top of the pole. She needs to reach the point, this D point, below 1.3 meter below the top of the pole. So it means this AD distance is 1.3 meter. Next one is repair. What should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal? We want to find out, let us suppose this is the ladder, CD is a ladder. We want to find out the length of this ladder to reach the point, and this ladder inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. So it means in this case, if total height is 5 and this height is 1.3, so remaining height will be equal to 5 minus 1.3, 5 meter minus 1.3 meter, and this value is equal to 3.7 meter. So this distance is equal to 3.7 meter is the distance. We want to find out this length of the ladder. Now perpendicular is given to us. Relation is between, if this is perpendicular, this is base. What is this? This will be hypotenuse. PBP, HHB. Here relation is between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Perpendicular and hypotenuse. So we will take this ratio. Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse is equal to sine angle, and angle is equal to 60 degree, and sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Now what is the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular is 3.7 and hypotenuse is the length of ladder, and this value we want to find out, and root 3 divided by 2. So when we apply cross multiplication, root 3 times of CD is equal to 3.7 into 2. So CD is equal to 3.7 into 2 divided by root 3. Multiply and divide by root 3, so we obtain 3.7 into 2 root 3 divided by 3. So 3.7 into 2 is 2 7 is 14, 7.4 root 3 divided by 3, and this is our required value, or we can say that the length of the ladder. Now in next case, also how far from the foot of the pole, how far this ladder is, means what is the distance between this ladder and the foot of the pole. It means we want to find out base now, and again perpendicular is given to us and base we want to find out. So perpendicular divided by base is equal to tangent theta is 60 degree. Now perpendicular is 3.7, base is DC we want to find out, and this is value is equal to, in this case this point is also D. Let us suppose this point is ADE point, ADE. Now we want to find out, in this case, perpendicular divided by base, and base is EC. EC and tangent 60 is equal to root 3. So EC is equal to 3.7 divided by root 3. Multiply and divide by root 3. So this value is 3.7 times of root 3 divided by 3 meter, and this is the distance between the ladder and the foot of the point of this pole. So this is the required value. First one is this one, and second.